His nose. He's trying to pick it up, but he can't, so he's using his arm. Pounced on it. Stay in the kitchen.
Did he finally eat it?
Mm-mm. He's trying to bite it, but he can't. He's putting it in his mouth and spitting it. It's underneath you, dude. You should have pounced on it.
He like can't get it. It just falls out of his mouth. You got it, Ace?
His nose just blew it away from his mouth.
Just rolls away. He like thinks it has a mind of its own. There you go. Oh, never mind. He like can't chew it. Did you swallow it?
He's trying to.
There we go. Job well done, Ace.